Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the surface and mixing the white edge filler to the right consistency. First, clean the edge thoroughly so the filler adheres. Once done, mix until smooth with no visible lumps. Then apply a thin bead from one end, maintaining steady pressure. This gives control and prevents overfill. Make sure to keep your tool at a low angle so the material seats into gaps. This first pass sets the foundation for a uniform finish and reduces sanding later. Once the initial bead is down, you build and shape the filler in controlled layers. After a short tack time, about 10 to 20 minutes depending on temperature, go back with a flexible spreader and smooth the material, removing excess in single strokes. You want to feather the edges outward so the transition is gradual. This reduces visible ridges after sanding. Make sure to keep consistent pressure and check angle frequently, because small shifts change thickness and affect the final seam strength. To finish, let the filler cure per product times, then sand progressively from 120 to 220, grit and finish with 320 for a smooth surface. Wipe dust away between steps. If you find low spots, reapply a thin layer and allow full cure before sanding again. Patience prevents gouging. If the edge shows discoloration or poor paint adhesion, prime a small test area with a compatible sealer and inspect. This quick test is your key troubleshooting tip. It tells you whether to sand more or treat before final coating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.